Did you know you only need to get 50% of the marks to score 99 percentile? It may sound hard to believe, but it's true. And in this video, we will reveal the secrets to achieving this incredible score. To ensure we bring you the most authentic and valuable insights, we have collaborated with two toppers, Ritika Jain from IIM Ahmedabad and Abhinav Gupta from IIM Kozhikode. Their expertise and experience will prove invaluable in your preparation journey. So, whether you are a student or a working professional, you must follow these steps with the same trust and dedication as you would have for your mentor or guru. Here is an outline which we would be covering in this video. Before starting your preparation, create a strategy by knowing everything about the CAT exam. This includes the difficulty level, colleges, exam pattern, syllabus, and all the sections, which are VARC, Quant, and DILR, along with their difficulty levels. As per the present CAT exam pattern, 66 questions are asked where 24 questions are from VARC, 20 from DILR and 22 from Quant. The total time allotted is 2 hours, with a total score of 198. The marking scheme is +3 for each correct answer and -1 for each incorrect answer. Before starting any section, it is important to review its syllabus. On EduRev, you can access the detailed section-wise syllabus along with their weightage. Step 2. Take a mock test now. Now, you might wonder, why do I have to take a mock in the beginning? To start preparing for the CAT exam, you must know what level of questions are asked in it. Instead of directly starting with a book, start attempting PYQs and give a mock test to know what the exam actually looks like. A mock test will help you identify areas of weakness or areas that need additional practice and study. You can attempt your first mock test on EduRev and schedule your preparation accordingly. Once you have understood your strengths and weaknesses and are done with steps 1 and 2, move on to the third step, which is the section-wise preparation. The recent data collected from the CAT 2022 exam indicates that the VARC section had 4 reading comprehension passages with multiple choice questions. Additionally, there were non-MCQs questions from verbal ability, which included para-jumbles, para-summary, and out-of-context sentences. In the DILR section, there were 10 questions each from LR and DI in the form of sets of 3 to 4 questions. Finally, the quantitative ability section had a strong focus on questions from arithmetic, logarithms, geometry, number systems, and algebra. Moving on to the VARC section. This section is considered the trickiest and can have any composition of topics, such as vocabulary, grammar, verbal reasoning, and reading comprehension. To prepare for the VARC section, there are several effective strategies that you can use. First, it is important to read as much as you can to improve your overall comprehension and familiarity with the language. Additionally, attempting RC-based tests can help you gain experience with the types of questions that you will encounter on the exam. It is also important to practice your verbal ability, including your speaking and listening skills. Improving your vocabulary and grammatical skills is essential for success on this section, as these are often key areas of focus on the exam. Finally, while it may sound strange, conversing with your friends in English can help you become more comfortable with the language and improve your communication skills. In terms of frequently asked topics on the exam, it is important to focus on areas such as RC and para-jumbles. EduRev offers study material for verbal aptitude, specifically tailored for MBA preparation, along with various resources such as 100 RCs for practice and 150 plus tests, docs, and video lectures. Now, moving on to the quantitative aptitude section. Quant is a crucial component of many competitive exams and selection processes for many companies for placements. To start with Quant, it is recommended to use the LPA strategy, which is learn, practice, and analyze. This involves first grasping the basic concepts before moving on to sectional tests to test your knowledge. It is also important to master important formulas and short tricks to improve your speed and accuracy. In addition to practicing, taking sectional tests will help you gain experience with the types of questions that will be asked on the exam. Some frequently asked topics on the CAT exam include arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and modern maths. By taking over 100 tests in EduRev's course for quantitative aptitude, you'll gain more confidence in your preparation. And the best part is that the course provides excellent video lectures and helpful materials to clear up any concepts that might be tripping you up. Moreover, improving your speed and accuracy in quant is essential for success in CAT exam. One effective way to improve your skills is to brush up on your basics of maths through NCERT textbooks. Additionally, solving problems regularly can help you identify areas where you may be struggling and improve your overall understanding of the subject matter. There are also many videos available on EduRev that teach Vedic mathematics tricks, which can help you solve problems more quickly and efficiently. Finally, it is important to remember square and cube roots, as these are often used in complex calculations. Moving on to the DILR section. To start preparing for DILR, it is recommended to focus on a generic topic such as pie charts, tables, and Venn diagrams. Watching videos with examples on EduRev can help you gain a better understanding of these topics before you start practicing with previous year papers and mock tests. It is also useful to utilize approximation techniques for quick calculations in data interpretation. This can help you save time and improve your accuracy on the exam. When it comes to frequently asked topics on the exam, it is important to focus on both DI and LR. Now, you might ask, how many questions should I solve per day? To answer this, let's move on to the next step, that is, to practice. It is always recommended to practice questions from the right preparation material and books. After clearing your basics, attempt the section-wise and topic-wise tests as well as the previous year's papers. EduRev provides several section-wise and topic-wise tests as well as past year questions at one place, so you can practice your skills and track your progress. Moving on to the step 5, it's recommended that you start giving mocks at least 4 months before the actual exam. Now, it's not just about the number of mock tests you take, but how well you analyze each test and work on improving your weaknesses. We suggest attempting full-length mock tests from at least 2 sources, including EduRev Mock Test Series for CAT exam, which offers both sectional and full mock tests. This will help you understand your strengths and weaknesses and prepare yourself for the actual exam. EduRev's mock tests provide real-time percentile and AIR, allowing you to constantly keep track of your performance. When it comes to improving your performance, it's important to focus on your strengths and build on them. Since most of the questions in CAT are based on the application of basic concepts, it's not advisable to focus on learning new concepts at this stage. Instead, you should put all your efforts towards the areas where you have nearly been able to control and solve questions. As we have discussed that preparing for the CAT exam involves practicing as many questions as you can. But all that practice is worthless unless you know how to revise for the CAT exam. Step 6. Revise smartly. No matter where you are in the CAT preparation journey, you must plan about your revision of CAT syllabus right now. One great tip is to pay attention to any tricks or shortcuts you come across when practicing questions. These can save you time and help you solve questions more quickly. You should also focus on important and unique questions that require special techniques to solve, as well as review important formulas for each chapter. Consider referencing the books authored by Arun Sharma, Nishit K. Sinha, and Meenakshi Upadhyay, which are highly recommended for CAT preparation. These books provide comprehensive coverage of each section of the CAT as they contain numerous practice problems and exercises, enabling you to strengthen your understanding of the concepts and sharpen your problem-solving skills. The EduRef course for the CAT examination is designed in reference to these books, providing video lectures and notes for each topic, where the topic is explained briefly with multiple examples and topic-wise tests. As we have already discussed how EduRef helps you analyze your test performance, but there are a few other things you need to keep in mind. Firstly, make sure to revise the questions you have attempted and practice weaker areas. This will help build your confidence and prepare you for similar questions in the future. It's also important to recognize the types of mistakes you're making and correct them. Analyze your mistakes after each test and work on improving them. Finally, don't forget to take care of your mental health and get enough sleep. Getting adequate rest can actually improve your accuracy more than endless practice tests. It has been observed that many students miss out on their dream of getting into their desired IIM because they don't have the right strategy for taking the exam. It's important to approach the exam in a smart way to increase your chances of success. To avoid any unnecessary panic, it is important to stick to your pre-planned exam strategy on the day of the exam. Following the chronology of the exam is essential, starting with the VARC section, followed by DILR, and concluding with Quant. Maintaining speed and accuracy throughout the exam is also essential for achieving a high score. After you clear the CAT exam, you are required to prepare for the next round of selection in various institutes. IIMs include WAT and PI for further selection, whereas some institutes include GD and PI. If you are preparing for CAT, then you must also prepare for other MBA entrance exams, which will increase your chances of gaining admission to top-ranked B schools. Here is a list of MBA exams other than CAT that you should consider preparing for. To get rid of the hassle of buying multiple books and study materials for these exams, EduRef provides a one-stop solution by providing you with the best study material for preparing for various MBA entrance exams at an affordable price, saving you both time and money. In conclusion, following a well-planned CAT preparation strategy is essential for achieving a high score and realizing your dream of pursuing an MBA from a prestigious institute. The chapters discussed in Step 3 of the strategy can significantly improve your chances of achieving the 99 percentile. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the CAT syllabus and put your skills to the test by taking a mock now on EduRef. So take the first step towards success and let EduRef help you reach your full potential.